Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, Mathematics Exercise 5D, Abstract Students Class 6, and New Syllabus D1. And question number 3 is if S surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, then we have to find surface area of the sphere when r is equal to 10 whole number 1 over 2. And in second part we have to find radius when surface area of sphere is 616. So we will apply the formula. Keep in mind that it is the formula of the surface area of sphere. Sphere is a circular shaped figure like football, and if we have to find the surface area of a football, we will apply the formula 4 pi r square. Value of pi is understood, that is 22 over 7, and r may be different for different objects. So at first we will find the value of surface area when r is equal to 10 whole number 1 over 2. Now students, we will apply the formula S is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area we have to find, and that's why we will write S is equal to, the value of 4 is always 4, multiply by, students, the value of pi is understood, that is 22 over 7 or 3.142. So here I will write 22 over 7, multiply by, r is 10 whole number 1 over 2, and here is r square. So we will write 10 whole number 1 over 2 times for taking the square. So it is written as 10 whole number 1 over 2 multiplied by 10 whole number 1 over 2. R square means that, students, r is multiplying 2 times. I mean to say r multiplied by r. That's why I have written 10 whole number 1 over 2 multiplied by 10 whole number 1 over 2. Now students, first we will change these mixed number into improper fraction and then we will simplify. So it is written as 4 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by 2 tens are 20 plus 1, 21 over 2 multiplied by again 2 tens are 20 plus 1, 21 over 2. Now students, this 7 and 21 are cancelled with the same table of 7. So I will cancel it as 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. This 2 is cancelled with 4, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Again this 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. So students, all the denominators are cancelled. Here is 1 multiplied by 22 means, students, 22 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 21. Now students, multiply 22 with 3, so we will get 3 twos are 6 and 3 twos are 6. It is written as 66 multiplied by 21. Now in working, multiply 66 with 21 and we will have 1 6 are 6, 1 6 are 6. When we multiply the 10th digit, in unit digit we have to put cross. So 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12 and 1 13. So we will get 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 1, and surface area of a sphere whose radius is 10 whole number 1 over 2 is 1386, and it is the first part of question number 3. Students, second part is R we have to find, whereas S is equal to 616. So again we will write the formula, and that is S is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area is given, that is 616, is equal to 4 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by r square. Students, 4 is multiplying with these number. When we transfer it to the other side, it will divide. 7 is dividing. When we transfer it to the other side, it will multiply. And 22 is multiplying with r square, and when we transfer it to the other side, it will divide. So it is written as 616 over 4 multiplied by 22, because 22 is multiplying. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide, and multiply by 7 is equal to r square. Now students, 616 will be cancelled with 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 3s are 6, no carry, so 2 zeros are 0, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. So we will write it as 308 multiplied by 7 over 2 multiplied by 22 is equal to r square. Now students, again this 308 can be cancelled with 2, so I will write 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, no carry, 2 4s are 8, and it is written as 154 multiplied by 7 over 22 is equal to r square. Again students, 154 and 22 will be cancelled with the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, and 2 7s are 14. So it will become 77 multiplied by 7 over 11 is equal to r square. 11 1s are 11 and 11 7s are 77. So it will become 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to r square. Students, 7 multiplied by 7 means 7 square is equal to r square, and we have to find the value of r, so we will take square root on both sides. So r square under root is equal to 7 square under root square, and roots will be cancelled and the value of r will become 7, and it is the second part of question number 3. Friends, question number 4. The formula of area of a triangle is A is equal to half of base multiplied by height, and in first part we have to find the area of triangle whose base is 20 centimeter and height is 45 centimeter. So we will apply the same formula. So I will write formula as A is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. Area we have to find, so area will be equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by the value of base is 20 and the value of height is 45, and the unit of area is square, so I will write centimeter square. Students, these 2 will be cancelled with 20, so 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. So 1 is as denominator is not written. When 10 multiplied with 45, it will become 450 centimeters square. So the area of triangle whose base is 20 and height is 45 will be 450 centimeters square. Students, second part of question number 4 is area is given that is 30 centimeters square, base is given that is 10 centimeter, and height we have to find. So same formula will be applied and written as A is equal to half of or 1 over 2 into base into height. So in place of A, that is area, we will write 30 centimeters square. We need not to put the unit because unit is written at the end, is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by the value of base is given that is 10 multiplied by height that we have to find. So 2 and 10 can be cancelled as 2 is denominator and 10 is numerator and both are multiplying. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and it is written as 30 is equal to 5 multiplied by h, and we have to find h. So 5 is multiplying with h. When we transfer this 5 to the side, it will divide. So it is written as 30 over 5 is equal to h, and the value of h will be 6 centimeter, and it is the second part of question number 4. Students, question number 5 of same exercise is find the formula of A part is product P of 3 numbers x, y and z, and B part is sum S of the square of P and cube of Q. So the first formula will be P is equal to, and we have to find the product, and product means that we will have to find the product of x, y and z, and product means the multiplication. So P will be equal to x multiplied by y multiplied by z, or you can write P is equal to x, y, z, and both are the same formulas. And in B part we have to find sum S of what? Sum S of square of P. I mean to say that we have to write square on P, and cube of Q, and at Q we will write cube, and then we will sum up both the numbers. So that will be sum is equal to square of P mean P square, and sum mean plus, and the second number is cube of q, so it will be q cube, and it is the sum of both the numbers. Students, C part of question number 5 is we have to find the formula of average J of 4 numbers M, N, P and Q, and average means that we have to sum up all the 4 numbers and divide the 4 numbers with 4. So average will be A is equal to M plus N plus P plus Q over, there are 4 numbers, A 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it will be divided by 4. And D part is we have to make the formula of time t in minutes of A hours and B minutes. So students, time will be equal to A hours mean that we have to multiply A with 60 to convert hours into minutes, and we have to find t, find time in minutes. So it will be A multiplied by 60, and then we have to sum up the minutes that are B, and all this is converted into minutes. So it is the formula of time t for A hours and B minutes in minutes.